Hello students, so today we are going to discuss about the associative arrays. In the last tutorial I have discussed the index single dimensional array and continuing with the arrays, today I am going to discuss the associative array. So let me first start the XAMPP and I will write now first the PHP syntax. Now let us first try to understand what is associative array. Now in the indexed array we have seen that the index or position of the element matters, but if you want to refer to the elements of array using key, then you can use the associative array. So let us see how to declare the associative array. So continuing with the same example, say suppose I will create one array called as names, and within the array function, observe here carefully, within single quotes I will first write down the Mansi and then equals to greater than symbol. This is the operator for denoting the key value pair. Now observe here, Mansi is the key and 18 is the value. So in associative array, such types of key value pairs are there. Now let us take some more example. So let us take Harsh and I will put his age 16. Then let us take Manav and say suppose his age is 19. So here names is an associative array with three values 18, 16, 19 and the names such as Mansi, Harsh, Manav are nothing but the keys. Now let us print one specific value from this particular array. Now say suppose I am interested in finding out the age of the Manav. So what I will write, echo age of Manav is, use the concatenation operator, and here within the names array, observe here within square bracket I will now write here the key. Now key is Manav. If you recall our earlier example of indexed array, here I have written the position. So in associative array, remember what you have to write? You have to write the key. What will be displayed due to this line? Age of Manav is, then it will take the value of Manav from the array, and finally the break statement. Now save this file and name it as associative array.php. Now let us go to our Firefox and open the PHP lessons folder. So here open the associative array.php file. Okay, I encountered an array, so let us go back to Notepad++. So see here at 8 number line. So let us first try to understand what is the error. So here observe on the earlier line I have not put the semicolon. So make the changes, save it and again go back to the web browser and refresh it. So see now the age of Manav is displayed. So this is how you can print the specific value present in the associative array using the particular key related to that value. Now say suppose I want to display the entire array. So again I am going to use the same function print_r, and inside the brackets I will put the name of the array, names. So I will just put here br tag. So save it and refresh it once again. So see here the entire array is displayed. Now moving ahead, say suppose I want to display the entire array using the for each loop. So what I am going to do is that I'll write the for each loop, open the bracket, dollar names as dollar val. So here this val variable will take one value at a time from the names array and it will display it. Just echo it, echo val. So these values 18, 16, 19 are going to be displayed. So let me put the br tag so that each value will be displayed on new lines. Give the curly braces, save it, and again go to web browser and observe here all the values of this particular array are displayed. So this is how the associative array works. In the next tutorial we are going to discuss multi-dimensional arrays.